Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Kirk, and I have created a new lesson on life cycle of a plant. Have you ever wondered how a plant grows? Well, today we're going to go through the stages of how a plant grows. To understand the life cycle of a plant, we first need to learn some key vocabulary. First one is seed. A seed is a living organism or thing that can make a plant. Soil. It's the upper top part of earth where plants grow. Water. Now we all drink water and we bathe in water, but water is a clear liquid made of hydrogen and oxygen. Sunlight. Sunlight gives energy that helps plants grow. Root, the part of the plant that grows underground. It's the part that we can't see. Sprout, to begin to grow. So when something sprouts, it is beginning to grow. Stem, the part of the plant that holds it up. It's the part that gives the plant its shape and allows it to grow up nice and tall. Flower, a part of a plant that makes seeds. Knowing these key vocabulary words will help us to better understand how a plant grows. So the life cycle of a plant starts off as a seed, and that seed gets buried into the soil or the dirt. Once that seed goes into the dirt, it begins to get watered from either a nearby lake, water from rain, water from morning dew, or maybe it's a plant that you're growing at home and you are watering the plant. The plant also needs sunlight. The sunlight gives us its energy in order for it to grow. Once that sunlight and water and the dirt all mixes in with the seed, then a small root begins to grow. The plant begins to sprout up or begins to grow through the soil and dirt. Once that sprout starts to come up out of the dirt, then you can see the stem. The stem will grow and grow as the plant continues to get water and sun and all the good benefits of the soil and dirt. And from there, a flower will grow. Within that flower, seeds will form, and those seeds will fall off and go into the ground, and the process will begin again. This picture depicts how a plant begins to grow. As you can see in the very first picture, there's a small seed under the dirt. And that seed sits there, and with the sun and the water and the soil, we start to see in the second picture a small root starting to grow. That root grows longer and gets deeper into the soil. As that root gets deeper into the soil, we begin to see the seed sprout. As the seed sprouts, the stem forms, and that stem begins to become long, and the seed is now no longer just a little seed. It now has a long stem with leaves beginning to form. And in the final picture, we can see that there are roots under the dirt. There is a long stem growing up through the ground. There are leaves sprouting up above, and soon more seeds will grow, and those seeds will fall into the dirt, and this cycle will start again.